Case 12, China Dai'er, 5 spraying, 5 baking, WV, vacuum coating line, 235M. 1 loading area. 2 stabilized workpieces. 3 electrostatic dust removal room 1. For flame treatment. 5 electrostatic dust removal room 2. Oil supply room. 6 pp water spray room, forward spraying. 7 primer spray room, forward and reverse spraying. 8 dry recyclable spray room, forward and reverse spraying. 9 UV solifying. 10 unloading robots, loading and unloading. Robots can reduce 8 to 10 workers. 11 vacuum coatings. 12 loading robot. 13 electrostatic dust removal room. 14 Topcoat spray room 1, forward and reverse spraying. Oil supply and color mixing room. 15 Topcoat spray room 2, forward and reverse spraying. 16 UV solifying. 17 unloading areas.